So, how many of you here have heard of something called boba milk tea? Okay, now how many of you guys have tried it and liked it? See, I saw a few hands go down. So, boba milk tea is a type of drink that originated from Taiwan. It consists of boba and milk tea. So, in an article by Po Young Ling titled Time-Saving Method for Preparing Tapioca Starch Balls, the tapioca balls are pre-made from milk, fruit syrup, ice, and small balls of tapioca starch. They're then pre-cooked, frozen, and packaged so that consumers like me are able to cook them quickly. So I included some of my own pictures of boba, and these are two of my favorite places to get my boba milk teas. So there's Tea Pumps first, which is known for its different types of flavors that you can use to customize your own drink. And my personal favorite is Share Tea because it has like a lot of good drinks. They have a lot of variety, and their boba is really sweet. So the problem with this is that I end up spending way too much money just on drinks. And the solution I got for this was to make it at home. And so today I'll be teaching all of you how to make your own boba milk tea. Step 1 will be making the boba. Step 2 is making the tea. And step 3 is presenting the drink. So for step 1, making the boba. So the first step is you have to boil the water, and once the water is boiled, you can pour in the boba packet and just stir it for 10 to 15 minutes until you see it start to rise. And that's what you can see in the first picture. And then once you think it's soft enough, you can actually take 1 or 2 balls out and just test the softness. Once you think it's ready, you pour out the water, and you make the water you cover the boba just enough, and you then add in brown sugar, and you start mixing it. After 5 minutes of mixing it, you can cover the top with foil, turn off the fire, and just let it sit. That's what's going to give the boba the sweetness and the softness. Part 2 would be making the tea. So you can boil the water and pour in powder, and then you just mix it. This whole step is a taste test, so you can just grab a spoon, try some boba, or try some of the tea. If you think it's too sweet, you can add more water. If you think it doesn't taste like tea, you can add more tea. You can also use powder, tea leaves, and tea packets. Normally I use powder, and yesterday when I was taking some pictures and making the tea myself, I used a tea packet. And the tea is actually really healthy for you, so even though your boba balls may just be all sugar, the tea makes up for it. According to Just Drinks, The Emerging Health Benefits of Tea by Hugh Westbrook, drinking tea has health benefits and is connected with cancer prevention and can also work as medicine. And then according to another article called Tetley Stirring Up the Market by Data Monitor, teas also help to energize, detox, and anti-age. So all in all, this drink is just so healthy for you, and it tastes good. So now, moving on to step 3, would be presenting the drink. I love using jars. I think jars makes it look aesthetically pleasing, and it makes the drink taste so much better when they just look nice. But you can also use cups or mugs, anything of your choice. I also prefer having my boba a lot sweeter than regular people, so I will drizzle the jar with honey and condensed milk. Once I'm done with that, I'll pour in the boba, and I'll add black tea, mix in some milk, and that's what you see in the picture on the left. The one that I made yesterday was actually a green tea boba milk tea, which is why the boba is green and kind of looks like peas. But it still tastes really good. You can also drink this hot or cold. If you want it cold, you just need to add in some ice cubes. If you want it hot, you just drink it right away. So in conclusion, if you want to try making your own boba at home, you can buy a pack of boba at the Oriental Market in Slough, or from Amazon for around $5, and you'll end up saving a ton of money because I make enough to serve my 6 roommates and my 5 other roommates and a few other friends who come over. And there's 2 boba places around Slough. So there's Boba Stop and Sweetie Cup, and I'll actually be at Boba Stop today around 6:30 because it's walking distance. So yeah, you guys can catch me there. And I hope you guys learned how to make boba milk tea today. Thank you.
Okay, Winnie.